Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing everything you need. Backup files to cloud or external storage and confirm your Microsoft account credentials so you can sign back in. Once done, plug the Surface into power and close unnecessary apps. Next, open Settings System Recovery and choose Reset this PC. Make sure you decide now, keep my files versus remove everything. Choosing Remove Everything gives a cleaner start, while Keep My Files preserves personal data but reinstalls Windows. You now pick how Windows is reinstalled. Choose Cloud Download for the newest image or Local Reinstall to use files on your Surface. Cloud uses roughly 4 GB. After choosing, confirm whether to clean the drive for a full wipe or quick erase. Then click Reset and let the device run. Your Surface will restart multiple times and show progress screens. Make sure to leave it connected to power and avoid interrupting. Interruptions can corrupt the installation and force recovery steps. Once the reset finishes, you walk through Windows setup. Choose region, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Microsoft or local account so settings sync. Then immediately run Windows Update to install drivers and firmware. Surface-specific drivers often arrive as separate packages. Reinstall apps and restore your backup. If something goes wrong, like the reset failing or boot loops, create a Surface Recovery USB using the recovery tool on another PC and reflash the device. That often fixes corrupted system images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.